Okay, and we're now at Philippi Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is used to be a mansion from what it was named for. And we're going to where Owen is on one of the fishing piers, and he is crabbing. We just got here about a half hour ago. He's using chicken backs and string. And the guys from Economy Tackle, where he's gotten most of his fishing supplies, told him he should be able to get some crabs there. And let's see, this is right by Highway 41, Tamiami Trail. It's about maybe 5 minutes from our house, 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. It's beautiful here. And Owen loves these trees with all the moss on them. They're pretty cool. It's very open here. We're the only ones here because the tropical storm's coming in, and it's windy and rainy, but the rain is very scattered and it's not real cold. Even though I have a blanket over my shoulders, the first time I felt a little cold since I've been here. Back of the house, it's beautiful. And there's a lot of grounds over there with the park. You can see all the moss on these trees. And these bushes here at the end of the, or by the edge of the creek, is they're called red mangroves. And here's the pier. And who's that? Who could that be? Is it? Is it? It is. There's Owen. Getting crab yet? Trying to get all our supplies. Did you get any crabs yet? So, Owen, you gonna have a crab dinner tonight? Are you having crab dinner tonight?
Just keep jumping.
They do? Should have brought your pole too. Wonder what kind of fish are in here. This supposedly is a creek, but it is huge. Looks more like a river. Oh yeah. There's a wind. Here.
Saw the oysters.
You're so much more interested.
No, not saw the oysters.
Oh.
Oysters is so much better.
Oops.
Oh my god. Okay, you got it. Don't let it fall in the ocean.
Okay. This is a creek, I guess.
Well, it's still
These are oysters, Owen thinks. They're all over.
well, I don't think they're fish, so.
But they're all over the place here. And we got to find out about them, if we can eat them. Pull them out and eat them. But there's clusters
they're
everywhere.
Not the big kind, though.
No?
They're not. Either their species is not the kind that get huge, or they're not matured.
You tell us that again. You're so cute.
Owen Carter here with Bizarre Foods America.
He's just gonna pull some out and eat them. Well, their hearts are still pumping. Owen feels like he's in another country because half the people here speak different languages. Would you ask me?
Oysters. Yes.
Something keeps them going.
You got it.
Yes, anything that lives.
I can see big oysters, but some of them, I think most of them are just like so small. They don't really have anything.
Except for ours.
But no, I see oysters that are like open on the, like over there, that are like open, because they've dried up.
Do you think these are living?
I don't know. I think maybe there's something out there that
Could be. I think if these were good, they would be gone. People would come and forage for these. No? So
because most people don't go to a park looking for oysters.
that's true. Good point. Let's go to the oyster park. And it's incognito. They don't call it oyster park, right? Otherwise people would come. So we have batteries. What else do we have for our possible hurricane attack?
We didn't get lunch meat, so
We don't have anything to eat, but we do have batteries, so we can see what we're not eating.
yeah, we can see our dying stomachs,
See, and we have like 14 gallons of water.
but no food.
Yes, but what did we learn? You need water before food, so we're fine. And we have canned goods, because if the power goes out, we can open up some cans. We just forgot a can opener.
We're well prepared.
Full tank of gas in case we have to scurry on out of here. And what else? Get masks.
You mentioned that that there's a hurricane coming.
There might be a hurricane.
Yeah,
There.
should probably mention that, or else whoever we send this to is gonna think that we're nuts.
Yeah. Right now it's tropical storms, but a hurricane, but it's supposed to go to the west of us.
It's freezing.
Hurricane Isaac.
It's drizzling. It's freezing.
Oh, it's freezing. It's like 85 degrees, but
I know
the
it's
humidity and it's not the 92 degrees, 70% humidity Owen loves that he's had every day he's been here except for today.
My nose is starting to run. Catching a Florida cold.
Oh my goodness. So if you look over here,
You see the ocean.
I guess this goes,
Is that a bird in the
they
water?
say this is a
Yeah.
creek. I think so, it hasn't moved though. There's that other bird. Push-ups. Is that a pier right over there to the right, Owen, on this side? That one looks like it's on land.
I want to go to that bridge over there. This is too shallow here.
Is there a place to get to it?
Probably not. It's probably really
Let's go check the other bridge.
overgrown.
Let's go check the other bridge over there out.
It's going to be the same.